All right, so in this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Gmail account, a brand new Gmail account on a computer. This is the same whether you're on a Mac or a PC, it doesn't matter. It's the same, okay? So if you already have a Gmail account, which is very likely that you do, when you go to Gmail, so first off, go to gmail.com. Let me back up. Go to gmail.com. When you go to gmail.com, it might log you in if you already have a Gmail account, or you might see something like this if I sign out. If I sign out, I might see something like this where it shows my accounts that I've signed in with before, where I can remove an account or use another account and so on. Or if you've never created a Gmail account, which I find very unlikely, but it's possible. If you've never created a Gmail account and you go to gmail.com, you're going to see this, okay? So the bottom line is you need to get to where you can create a new account. So if you've never signed in and you go to gmail.com, then you're going to probably see something like this, and you're going to click Create Account. You're going to choose whether it's for yourself or your business. Okay, and then you're going to fill out the information, but let me show you if you've already created an account. Okay, so just to refresh, if you've already created an account and you're logged in, you're going to need to log out of that account. And then on here, you're going to need to click Use Another Account. And then you'll notice this is the same as that last screen. I'm going to click Create Account for myself or to manage my business. The business ones, I believe, cost money. We're going to do one for ourselves. Okay. And then you just give yourself a name and you choose an email address. And it will tell you if that's available. And it's already taken, so it gives me some ideas of things I can do. Okay. Then I have to choose a password. The password must be 8 characters and have at least one number and one capital letter and one symbol. Okay. You can click on Show Password if you're wanting to remember your password or see what it actually is. Okay. You can click on Show Password like that to make sure they match, because they have to match. And then click Next. Well, let me use that one. Okay, you do have to put in your phone number, or a phone number at least, and a recovery email. The recovery email is optional, but if you have a second email, it's recommended, so you can recover your passwords if you ever forget it. Put your birthday in. And your gender, and then click Next. You can choose if you want it to save in there. All right, it's going to make me verify my phone number, so I'm going to click Send. And I'm going to get a text on my phone here in a second. And that is 923881 in my case. Yours is going to be different, obviously. Click Agree. I don't know why it's taking so long, but once you've agreed, I now have my Gmail account. It's that easy, guys. That is how you create a Gmail account using your phone. If you're looking to create a Gmail, or sorry, using a computer, apologize. We made this on a desktop computer. It's the same whether it's a Mac or a PC. If you're looking for a tutorial on how to create a Gmail account on your phone, I've got that as well. Check the description below and there'll be a link to it. Have a great day and go build. Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Before you go anywhere else, check out this playlist I created for you. Everything you can ever need or want to know about Gmail is found in this playlist. Click the video playlist and watch. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications.